Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about how you can basically schedule a post so it can basically be published whenever you want. So let's get right into it. On the left hand side, we're gonna go to posts and we're gonna go to all posts. We're gonna add a new post. So let's add a new post. We're gonna choose whatever title and whatever paragraph we want. So basically just for the sake of this video. And on the right hand side, you're gonna see the visibility publish template in URL. We're gonna click on the publish one and we're gonna left click on the immediately. Here you can see this calendar right here. This calendar is very important because it basically chooses when the post will be published. So as you can see, we can basically change the time and the date. We're gonna set it, for example, for April 4th, 2024 at, I don't know, 4:20 a.m. So now when we click on this X right here or this close right here, as you can see on the publish menu right here, it's gonna say the April 4th, 2024, 4:20 a.m. So we're just gonna left click on schedule, left click on schedule again, and that's basically it. The post scheduled for this right here. So when we now go to the WordPress dashboard and all posts, as you can see, the page or the post has been scheduled. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.